Nothing compares to the feeling of picking your own olives and turning them into something incredible with your own hands. In today's video, I'm going to take you from soil to jar. I'll show you how we fertilize the olive trees for strong growth and healthy fruit, and I'll also walk you through my homemade marinated Kalamata olive recipe straight from this year's harvest. Let's get to it, and don't miss the secret marinade blend at the end that gives you that perfect bite. So how do we fertilize our olive trees organically? Olives are very hardy, and if you want to grow good fruit with rich oil content, the right nutrients will make a huge difference. Here's our seasonal approach. During spring, the growth stage, we compost and we add in warm castings around the root zone. We also add wood ash for potassium, and we sprinkle just a little bit of blood meal or diluted fish emulsion, which is rich in nitrogen. And then we go ahead and offer deep watering every 2 to 3 weeks. Now comes the summertime, the time of fruit setting. We use a homemade banana peel and coffee ground tea to offer potassium and nitrogen, and we also add seaweed solution monthly for micronutrients. During autumn, which is the post-harvest recovery, we apply a light application of Manure compost blend and top with leaf mulch to enrich the soil over winter. Now, as a bonus tip here, please never let your fertilizer touch the trunk. Always apply in a circle around the drip line. I used to feed them randomly, and I wondered why fruit was very small. Since following this method, my Kalamata crop has been bigger, richer, and easier to cure. Now let's talk about harvesting and preparing Kalamata olives for marination. So fresh Kalamata olives need to be debittered before you even start to marinate them. Here's a step-by-step guide, and here's how we do it. So first we harvest when the deep blue, plump or soft, slightly soft as well. We rinse and sort. So remove the bruised or underripe olives. Then you go ahead and you score each olive with a knife, or you can also smash it lightly with a jar. And then you soak in plain water for 7 to 10 days, changing the water daily. And what this does is it really helps to pull out the bitterness as well. And as a bonus tip, you can also add in a pinch of salt to the soaking water on the last 2 days to really help with transitioning. Now let's talk about my homemade marinated olive recipe, Mediterranean style. It's absolutely amazing. Now you do this once the olives are debittered. This is how you can marinate them. So I add in 2 cups of cured Kalamata olives, 2 cloves of garlic smashed, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 sprig of fresh rosemary, a lemon peel, just a thin strip. Make sure it's organic because you're using the peel, and a half a teaspoon of chili flakes. This is optional. I do not add that in the special jar that I give to the children because they're super sensitive when it comes to chili. And then you can also add in half a cup of extra virgin olive oil and salt to taste. And what you're going to do is you're going to place the olives in a clean, sterilized jar. Add in all the ingredients, top up with the olive oil, and then seal and refrigerate for at least 48 hours before tasting. And what happens here is that flavor starts to deepen after 5 days, and trust me, they're very addictive as well. And this whole process from fertilizing the trees naturally to harvesting and marinating your own olives, it's more than just food. It's a tradition, it's a connection, and it's something anyone can do. So let me know in the comment section, what is your favorite way to prepare the olives? Have you tried making your own marinade? Let me know in the comments, and I'll also love to hear recipe ideas as well. I'm trying to try different recipe ideas, and the one that I shared with you in this video is one of my favorite out of a few. Like if you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more backyard to kitchen videos. And coming next, I'll talk to you about 3 ways to use olive leaves for health and skincare, so don't miss it out. Thank you so much for watching, and happy harvesting. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.